Ayon sa talaan natin, we have around 25 death row cases. This has been drastically reduced kasi in Malaysia, nagkaroon sila ng bagong polisiya o batas. Naging should I say, uh, 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 naging flexible sila in terms of commuting the sentences of our death row cases. At nag-apply po yung ating embahada doon, so pasalamat kami sa DFA ng commutation. Nagkaroon silang ganong klaseng proseso. So it used to be in the neighborhood of 50 to 60, but now we're down to 25.
Likelihood nitong 25, mabigyan rin ng commutation.
Yes, we're working very hard. Ito po yung mga behind the scenes work namin that is unseen by the public eye, in tandem with the DFA and the Office of the President. Si Presidente po is also very concerned about the death row cases, and we have been working quietly to hold the executions at bay, and tama po kayo, natumbok nyo, makommute yung sentence na yon, if not, mapawalang sala completely. But the general legal strategy is to hold the executions at bay, first level, second level to commute, and third level, maabsuelto yung ating kababayan.